This video shows how to create a new distribution chain in customizing within the SAP system. The distribution chain consists of the combination of sales organization and distribution channel. It forms an essential basis for many sales processes, as it defines through which channels a sales organization markets its products, for example via retail or direct sales. First, customizing is opened. To do this, transaction code SPRO is entered in the command field and confirmed. Afterwards, the SAP reference IMG button is selected. In the hierarchical structure, the following path is opened: Enterprise structure, Assignment, Sales and Distribution, Assign distribution channel to sales organization. Once the transaction is started, an overview of all existing combinations of sales organizations and distribution channels in the system is displayed. This list shows all currently active distribution chains in the company. To create a new distribution chain, the Edit mode is activated by clicking the Display Change button. Then a new entry line is opened using the New Entries button. The required combination is now entered in the fields. In the Sales Organization field, enter the key of the existing sales organization, for example 1000. In the Distribution Channel field, enter the key of the desired channel, for example 01 for Distribution Channel 01. This combination defines the new distribution chain. It ensures that Sales Organization 1000 is officially allowed to use Distribution Channel 01 to sell goods or services. Without this explicit assignment in customizing, no sales documents could later be created for this combination. After the fields have been completed, the entries are saved using the Save button. The system then prompts for assignment to a customizing transport request. Once the transport request is confirmed, the new distribution chain is created. After saving, the new distribution chain is immediately visible in the Overview table. It is now available for subsequent configuration settings, such as the definition of distribution chain-specific material master data or the assignment of plants. Through this customizing setting, the organizational link between sales and the distribution channel has been established, thereby creating the basis for operational sales processing in the SAP system.
We hope the video helped you. In case you got any additional questions or comments, please leave a message below. See you next time, your advist-Academy.